Hey, how are you doing, YouTube? In this video, I will demonstrate how to load Instax Mini film into the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. Tongue twister. It is probably good to note that this video focuses exclusively on the Instax Mini film series. There are also Instax square and wide films available, but they are not compatible with Instax Mini cameras. To load the film into the camera, open the back cover by pressing down the back cover lock or latch. I will show you a handy tip at the end of the video to check if there is film already loaded. Next to the film door latch and at the back of the film, there are yellow marks. Insert the film cartridge by aligning these yellow marks. The film counter displays an S, which in analog cameras indicated the start of film. To begin shooting, you would need to advance the film until the counter reached 1. The same concept applies here. Turn on the camera by pressing the power button. Then press the shutter button to automatically eject the black protective cover. The film counter now displays 10, showing the number of shots you have left. If there is film already loaded into the camera, you can view this through the film confirmation window. This is where the yellow mark also comes in handy. If there is no yellow mark here, then there is no film loaded in the camera.